Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Travel Inn Kingsport. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are pet-friendly, free Wi-Fi and a free parking. Located in Kingsport, 16 miles from hands-on Discovery Center, Travel Inn Kingsport provides accommodations with a shared lounge, free private parking and a garden. The property is around 22 miles from Bristol Motor Speedway, 25 miles from Tweetsie Trail and 25 miles from George L. Carter Railroad Museum. The property has a 24-hour front desk and free Wi-Fi is available throughout the property. The motel will provide guests with air-conditioned rooms with a desk, a coffee machine, a microwave, a fridge, a safety deposit box, a flat-screen TV and a private bathroom with a bath. Tipton-Haynes Historic Site is 27 miles from Travel Inn Kingsport, while Lynn Garden is a 19-minute walk away. The nearest airport is Tri-Cities Regional Airport, 17 miles from the accommodation. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.